How to change server in AFK Arena. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to change server in AFK Arena. Changing server in AFK Arena is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open AFK Arena, launch the game, start the AFK Arena on your device, access the server selection menu. Tap on your player icon in the top left corner of the main screen, tap on your player profile icon. Tap on the server, you will see an option for server. Tap on this to open the server selection menu. Select a new server, browse through the list of available servers. You can see the recommended server or manual select one from the list. New server, new start. Remember, switching to a new server means starting from scratch. Your heroes, level and item won't be carry over. Confirm the changes. Start on the new server. Tap on the desired server to confirm the changes. The game will load and you will begin a new game on this server. Switching back and managing multiple accounts. Switching back. If you want to switch back to your original server, you can do this by following the same step and selecting your old server. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.